In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a market order on the Yubit futures market. If you'd like to create an account on Yubit, I left you a link in the description of this video as well as in the pinned comment down below. If you use that link when creating an account, you're going to save 10% on all your trading fees for the lifetime of your account. You'll also be eligible for up to 10,000 Tether in welcome rewards, and you'll be supporting my channel at no extra cost to you. This video is not financial advice and is for educational purposes only. Let's get into the video. These order types are nice and simple. They're going to execute immediately at the best available price off the order book. Whether you're opening a position to go long, betting on the price to go up, or opening a position to go short, betting on the price to go down. The first thing we want to do is head right up here to our pairings. And of course, select the asset that you wish to trade. Simply click on it or search for it in the search bar. I'm perfectly fine demonstrating with Bitcoin, so I'll be leaving this as it is. Next, we'll head right over here to the order panel. We'll make sure we have chosen the margin mode that we wish to trade with, and as well as the leverage that we wish to use. Next, we'll click right here where it says market. Now, all we simply need to do is choose the size of the position we wish to open and choose the direction of our trade. We can do that in this box right here. So if I wanted to, I could type in a custom amount like this. And of course, you'll always be able to see your available balance right here. So you'll know exactly what you're working with. Alternatively, you can use the slider bar right here. So if I was to slide this up to say 51%, that would put 51% of my available balance into this position. If I was to slide this up to 100%, that would put 100% of my available balance into the position. For this demonstration, I'll go ahead and just stick with 100 like this. Once you get your order set up the way that you want it, you'd click here on open long if you're betting on the price to go up, or you'd click here on open short if you're betting on the price to go down. For this demonstration, I'll click here on open long. You'll get an order confirmation pop-up window here, so confirm the details are what you intended. I can see the size of my position quoted in Bitcoin right here, and I can see the nominal value of the position that I'm opening, which is going to be closer to 190 Tether because I'm set to 2x leverage. And right here, we can see the estimated liquidation price. And in my case here, my liquidation price is way off from where my entry is. But remember, the more leverage that you use, the closer this is going to be to your entry price. And I'll very quickly show you that. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel this order. I'm going to come up here. Let's go ahead and change the leverage. And just for fun, I'll go ahead and select 40x or 42. Good enough for this demonstration. I'll click on confirm. Now I'll come back here to the order panel. And when I select the same position size and click here on open long, when we come over to this confirmation window, you can see my liquidation price came up from 0.01 Tether to 83,118. So if this trade was to go against me and Bitcoin was to go down to 83,111, that is going to liquidate my entire account balance. So as you can see, the more leverage that you use, the closer this liquidation price is going to be to your entry price. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel this once again. Let's go ahead and bring this leverage down to 2x and click on confirm. Now I'm going to go ahead and open this position. So I'm going to come back here to the order panel. I'm going to type in 100, open long. Confirm the details. My liquidation price is all the way down at 0.1 USDT. And now I'll go ahead and click here on confirm. And just like that, I opened that long position immediately at the best available price off of the order book. If we come back down below here, over here on the right hand side, you can see that you can also close the position with a market order. If we click on that, you get your order confirmation here. Choose how much of the position you wish to close, and then you'd click on confirm. Or you can also do this on the chart itself. So if we close that out, come up to this green box, click this X, click on confirm. And as you can see, I just closed that position immediately at the best available price off the order book. So that's how you can manually close your position. And there you have it. That's how you can use a market order on the Yubit futures market. If you got some value out of that, don't forget to leave me a like and hit subscribe for future content. Also feel free to check out my other Yubit tutorials, which I've put together in a playlist on my YouTube channel. Have yourself a powerful day.